Hello friends, welcome to the technical check on the markets. Markets have closed positive today and have been consolidating a bit after the opening tick. Overall, we've witnessed a breakaway gap, breaking away from this consolidation pattern. Overall, on the daily charts, taking support at 20 daily moving average. The momentum indicator is still on the sell side, but we are expecting a whipsaw on the buy side and continuing the positive momentum on the upside. On the hourly charts, it was a sideways movement today, but it has formed a bullish flag pattern on the hourly chart, a very small pattern, and it has also broken on the upside. The supports would be around 58.80, which will be very crucial in the very immediate run. The momentum indicator is still on the buy side. We are expecting the positive momentum to continue till at least 5965, which is our short term target, and above 5965 the next short term target would be around 6100. On the Bank Nifty is still consolidating a bit around the upper end of this flag pattern, a bullish flag pattern, which has taken support at 20 daily moving average, but the momentum indicator is still on the sell side, but we are expecting a good buy signal, whipsawing of this indicator and giving a buy signal, continuing the positive momentum on the upside for a target of at least 13,000 in the very short term. The support should be around 12,256 and 12,152. The resistance would be around 12,650 and the final target in the short term would be around 13,000. Maruti is one of the stocks which we have witnessed on the long side. It has been making an expanding triangle pattern and has taken support at 20 daily moving average. The momentum indicator is on the buy side, so we will be expecting a good move on the upside, giving us a target of at least 1640 in the short to medium term outlook. The support should be around 1480 and 1450. The resistance would be around 1539 and 1640. The second stock we've witnessed is Infosys. It has formed an inverted head and shoulder pattern on the hourly chart. This is a hourly pattern, and it has also formed an ending diagonal pattern, a very extended pattern, but I'll be expecting a very good move on the upside with supports around 2270 and 2245. The resistance would be around 2348 and 2394. We are expecting a very good move on in the short term. In the medium term outlook, it looks a little negative, but in the short term we are expecting a good bounce back. The momentum indicator on the hourly charts are on the buy side, so the strategy should be to buy on declines on Infosys. Thank you very much.